Hey everybody, I just had technical difficulties. I just lost my entire live post. Sorry, I'm running a little late. I value everybody's time, but shit happens. So hold on a second because I'm gonna go live on Instagram. Technical stuff is so interesting. All right, here we go. Take two. On. If you're here, say hi to me. I'm just going to set up real quick because I lost the first live. I just went live a minute ago and it went bye-bye. So I didn't have any of the things written here. But if you're joining me, what's up, what's up? It's Friday. Stop, drop, and breathe. Hold on. Give me a comment. Give me an icon so I know who's here. Why everything's so complicated today? Oh, wait a second. Yeah. All right, back. This ad. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Live. Yes. This. Yes. All right. Woohoo! Sorry about that. So welcome. Yay, Janice. Thanks for being here. I had like serious technical difficulties. I just lost my entire thing that I wrote. But you know what? I'll write it after. Maybe you could put in the comments monetizeyourmornings.com because that's one of the main things I was going to share. Carol Ann, what's up? What's up? All right. Stop, drop, and breathe Fridays. I'm going to jump into it in really quick because I want to get us breathing and moving today. Just a few things. This week has been, oh, yeah, I had some technical difficulties, Carol Ann, but here now. Thank you for being here. And we are going to be breathing in abundance. And first of all, yeah, we're going to get moving today. And when we talk about money in our life, we're often come up against some money blocks that we either know we have or don't know we have. And our money blocks are just things that we have either heard or seen or experienced growing up that have just infused into our mind. And sometimes we don't even know we have them, but they are playing out in our life. And everything we do here at Metamorfize is about programming your mind for success, is about getting aware of the things that you're saying to yourself so that you're in the driver's seat, so that you are the one being the creator of your life. So today we're going to breathe in abundance, and we're going to, I've been talking all week about money altars and repetition, and I shared my personal affirmation, which I'm going to also type into here. Let me see if it's still on the copy and paste. No, it's not. Okay. So basically, we're going to spend the second part of today really just sitting, breathing, and breathing in an affirmation. And we're going to just program our minds for success. All right. So is there anything else I want to say? Is there any questions anyone has? Any requests that you have on what you need today around money? Leave me an icon. Yes, we're going to get into it right now. I love everybody being here. Thank you. Thank you. So we're going to get up, just going to shake it out, breathe it out, and then we're going to sit back down like we do. So let me put this cue music. Here we go. All right, yeah. Here we go. So get on up. So a lot of the breath we do here is in and out through the mouth only. So it's really about charging up your body. Yep. Feel it? You want money to come in, you got to keep moving your body. So part of this is just about, so we're going to put it back down and then we're going to raise it back up because you got to just throw down what doesn't belong to you. All right? Use your breath. Stomp it out. Stomp. You can use your fists. Because you know what? Sometimes we're angry. Why aren't we making what we want to be making? What is in the way? We're doing everything right. Just getting right into it today. Jump. Release. Get it out. Punch. Down. Giving back. You're just saying no. You're declaring this is the end of that old story. Breathe, breathe. Go. Breathe, breathe. Fear, shame, doubt. Punch it out. Fear, shame, doubt. Give it back. Give it back to the earth. Fear, shame, doubt. Ah! Fear, shame, doubt. You can say it to yourself. Fear, shame, doubt. Fear, shame, doubt. Fear, shame, doubt. Get rid of it. Ha, 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 ha. Whew. Get your blood moving. Whew. Ha, 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 ha. March it out. March it out. Ha, ha, ha. I did this thing this week. It was a Kundalini exercise, and it was the fists of anger, and it was all about like you're just almost like wiping away in this energy field. So we're just gonna go. Ha, 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 ha. Clear it out. Clear it out. Ha, ha. Slow it down. Start to connect in. Woo! Woo! Feeling it. All right. Coming back down. We're going to start preparing to open. We're opening to receive more. We're moving up now. Thrust your hips forward. Because grounding, all of our security, safety, money to receive more, it's in our pelvis. And this is also where we hold our fear. So, whoo, 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 whoo. Close your eyes. Whoo, whoo. Who's going to make more? Who's going to make more? Whoo, 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 whoo. Whoo, stay with it. Whoo, 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 whoo. Thrust. Yes. Moving forward. Onward. Ha, 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 ha. Power pose. What's your power pose? All right, so just beginning to sway as we begin to now open up to receiving more. It's always about releasing something so you can make room for the next. It can happen in so many ways metaphorically. We're just punching out as a release of the emotions, and we're now opening up to receiving more. So it's going to go, excuse me. And be fluid with it. You want your money to come in easily and frequently into your life. So breathing in the ease. Opening your heart. Letting your chest, your throat, your expression center to just open on the inhale. Exhaling, coming back to the safety. Yes, I trust myself with money. I am worthy. Really get into it. I am abundant, opening, coming back. It is safe to make more. I am worthy. Some of the favorites are I am a money magnet. Open, 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 breathe in deep, 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 open, open. Yes, feel it. You are a money magnet. It's all coming towards you. It's all coming towards you. Coming back in. I know how to manage my money responsibly. Yes, breathe that in. Responsibility with money. Coming back. I allow abundance. Your inhale is your ability to receive. Your exhale is your ability to give. Breathe in the deepest, deepest inhale possible right now as you tell your whole system that it is okay to receive more, that it is time, that we are not afraid, that we know how to manage it, and I am worthy. Breathe in the worthiness of receiving more. Feel it in your chest. Feel it opening, rising, coming back in. Feeling the safety, trusting yourself. Opening up. Stay with the breath. That's all you have to do. Imagining with each inhale, as you open up your heart and your chest, that you see money, gold energy, yellow light, whatever color for you is about money. Maybe it's red, which I said is your root chakra. Just imagine light, money showering down on you, and you're just, I am open to receive. Yes, I am ready. Breathing in, I am ready to receive more. So we're going to work with an affirmation. I'm going to sit down to get closer to you. You can stay standing if you want. You're going to stay with the inhale. My life is abundant and prosperous. Money comes easily and frequently into my life. Inhale it in. My life is abundant and prosperous. Money comes easily and frequently into my life. Stay with the breath. Program your mind for success. Program your mind for wealth. Breathing in, my life is abundant and prosperous. Money comes easily and frequently into my life in large amounts from unexpected sources. Breathing in, breathing out. This is your new truth. Breathing in as truth. My life is abundant and prosperous. Money comes easily and frequently into my life in large amounts from unexpected sources. This is an affirmation that I used every day to help me get out of debt, to help me rewire my mind, to help me to realize and reprogram that I can be successful, that I can make more, that I had to break my own programming. Breathe in. My life is abundant and prosperous. Money comes easily and frequently into my life in large amounts from unexpected sources, and breathe it back out. Stay with the breath, opening. My life is abundant and prosperous. Money comes easily and frequently into my life in large amounts from unexpected sources. Just placing your hands up in a receiving, almost like a bowl up. You just hold them there. Not too far, because you don't need to reach so far. It's actually right here. It's just going to come right in. You're just opening to receive. Breathing in. My life is abundant and prosperous. Money comes easily and frequently into my life in large amounts from unexpected sources, and just breathe in. Stay with the breath. I'm repeating it for you. You can repeat it in your mind. Just keep breathing. Feel the expansion in your body, your heart, your chest opening, your belly expanding. You rise with each inhale and you melt down and surrender with each exhale. My life is abundant and prosperous. Money comes easily and frequently into my life in large amounts from unexpected sources. My life is abundant and prosperous. Money comes easily and frequently into my life in large amounts from unexpected sources. My life is abundant and prosperous. Money comes easily and frequently into my life in large amounts from unexpected sources. Yes, yes, yes. Speak yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. There is no other route but success. You will take nothing less. Success is the only path. Commit, decide, and change will happen. Breathe in. If other people can do it, you can do it too. We are all the same. Our mind just needs to all be tweaked and reprogrammed. And it starts with repetition. It starts with just taking a moment to just remind yourself of what you want. You can do it. I think mornings are the best time. I have an amazing thing that's posted here, or it will be posted, Monetize Your Mornings. It's where you wake up and you infuse your mind. I have a 10-minute affirmation breath thing in there. You go grab it. It's going to be awesome. You infuse your day every day with this. My life is abundant and prosperous. Money comes easily and frequently into my life in large amounts from unexpected sources. Yes, I am worthy. I deserve it. Of course I can. Of course I will. Watch me. All right. All right, everybody. Just allowing yourself to bring your hand to your heart. Hand to your belly, actually. Heart and belly. Just take a deep breath in, feeling the fullness. Or maybe it's the empty. You always have to empty out to fill back up. Making more is about raising your frequency. Making more is an energy. Go hang out or talk to people who have what you want. Listen to how they do it. Attune yourself to their frequency. It's possible. You can do it. I did it. I got myself out of debt. I didn't think I could do it. My life is abundant and prosperous. Money does come easily and frequently into my life. Sometimes in large amounts from unexpected sources. Yes. So we're going to close out. Just breathing in and out through your nose, actually. And hear this master, this beautiful. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Just allowing your shoulders to relax. Relaxing your nervous system. When you are in a calm place and your body is relaxed, it is ready to be limber, to be flexible, to move like water flowing, not like ice. Same component, element, different. Just take a moment to just come up with one word of how you feel in this moment after 15, 18 minutes of breathing. Go ahead and share it with me if you are here. Sharing this word of how it feels to breathe. Just knowing that you are abundant, that you have this ability to expand from the inside out, to open up to receiving more. Next week we're doing resistance. So if there's anything in the way that you need to look at for your money story, join me next week. All right, everybody. Take care. I'll see you next week. One love. Yes, you can. Bye.